Identifying stocks to buy and hold for decades rather than months or years can be difficult. The world and the economy are constantly changing, creating risks for long-term investors. A dividend payment from a large, profitable company with a leading market share in a stable or growing industry is the closest thing to a guarantee for long-term investors. In fact, dividends alone have accounted for about 40% of total stock market returns from 1930 through mid-2022. In this video, we'll reveal the top 10 attractively valued dividend stocks investors can bet on for the long term. So, before we continue, please subscribe and turn on the notification to stay updated on our future videos. Number 10. Altria Group Incorporated, NYSE MO. Altria Group Incorporated is an American company that manufactures tobacco, cigarettes, and related products. In April, Stifel resumed its coverage on the stock with a buy rating and a $52 price target, highlighting the company's earnings growth and investment in smoke-free developments. On March 1st, Altria Group Inc. declared a quarterly dividend of 94 cents per share, which was in line with its previous dividend. The company holds a 53-year streak of consistent dividends growth, which makes it one of the best dividend stocks on our list. As of the close of Q4 2022, 45 hedge funds tracked by Insider Monkey reported owning stakes in Altria Group Incorporated compared with 47 in the previous quarter. These stakes have a total value of over $1.8 billion. Number 9. Target Corporation, NYSE TGT. An American retail corporation, Target Corporation is next on our list of the best dividend stocks. The company offers a quarterly dividend of $1.08 per share and has a dividend yield of 2.67% as of April 21. It has been growing its dividends consistently for the past 51 years. In the fourth quarter of 2022, Target Corporation reported revenue of $31.4 billion, which was up 1.3% from the same period last year. During the quarter, the company returned $497 million to shareholders in dividends, up from $432 million during the prior year period. The number of hedge funds tracked by Insider Monkey owning stakes in Target Corporation stood at 48 in Q4 2022. The collective value of these stakes is nearly $1.7 billion. Number 8. Automatic Data Processing Incorporated, NASDAQ ADP. Automatic Data Processing Incorporated is a New Jersey-based management services company. In its fiscal Q2 2023 earnings, the company posted an operating cash flow of over $1.6 billion, which showed growth from $1.2 billion during the same period last year. Its revenue for the quarter came in at $4.4 billion, which was up by 9.08% from the prior year period. Automatic Data Processing Incorporated is one of the best dividend stocks on our list as it has a 48-year run of raising its dividends. The company offers a quarterly dividend of $1.25 per share for a dividend yield of 2.33% as recorded on April 21st. Automatic Data Processing Incorporated was a part of 49 hedge fund portfolios in Q4 2022, up from 48 in the previous quarter, as per Insider Monkey's database. The stakes owned by these hedge funds have a collective value of over $3.52 billion. Number 7. 3M Company, NYSE MMM. 3M Company is a Minnesota-based multinational conglomerate that operates in the fields of industry, healthcare, and consumer goods. In the fourth quarter of 2022, the company reported revenue of $8.1 billion, which beat estimates by $10 million. Its cash position remained strong as its operating cash flow came in at $1.9 billion, and it generated $1.7 billion in free cash flow. 3M Company has been raising its dividends consistently for the past 65 years. The company offers a quarterly dividend of $1.50 per share and has a dividend yield of 5.73% as of April 21st. During Q4, it returned $1.4 billion to shareholders via share repurchases and dividends, which makes it one of the best dividend stocks on our list. Of the 973 hedge funds tracked by Insider Monkey in Q4 2022, 52 funds owned stakes in 3M Company, up from 49 in the previous quarter. The collective value of these stakes is over $1.57 billion. AQR Capital Management was one of the company's leading stakeholders in quarter 4. Number 6. Verizon Communications Incorporated, NYSE VZ. Verizon Communications is the largest U.S. wireless carrier, and the company also offers wireline and broadband services, which ranks 6th on our list of the best dividend stocks. Verizon Communications Incorporated currently pays a quarterly dividend of $0.6525 per share. The company has rewarded shareholders with increased dividends continuously for 16 years in a row. The stock's dividend yield on April 21st came in at 6.99%. McDonald's Corporation, Hormel Foods Corporation, and Roper Technologies Incorporated are some other best dividend stocks to consider. At the end of quarter 4 2022, Verizon Communications Incorporated was a part of 56 hedge fund portfolios as per Insider Monkey's data. The stakes owned by these funds have a total value of over $1.5 billion. Number 5. Medtronic Plc, NYSE MDT. Medtronic Plc is an American medical device company based in Minnesota. On March 2nd, the company declared a quarterly dividend of 68 cents per share, which was in line with its previous dividend. The stock's dividend yield came in at 3.17% as of April 21st. It is one of the best dividend stocks on our list as it has raised its dividends consistently for the past 45 years. In its fiscal quarter 3 2023, Medtronic Plc reported revenue of $7.7 billion, which was consistent with its revenue reported during the same period last year. At the end of January 2023, it had roughly $3.8 billion in operating cash flow, and its free cash flow came in at roughly $2.5 billion. As of the end of quarter 4 2022, Medtronic Plc was a part of 58 hedge fund portfolios, up from 55 in the previous quarter, according to Insider Monkey's data. The collective value of these stakes is over $2.6 billion. Number 4. The Coca-Cola Company, NYSE KO. The Coca-Cola Company is next on our list of the best dividend stocks to buy and hold. In April, Barclays raised its price target on the stock to $72 with an overweight rating on the shares, expecting the company to show volume growth in its upcoming quarter. The Coca-Cola Company has been raising its dividends consistently for the past 61 years. It currently pays a quarterly dividend of 46 cents per share and has a dividend yield of 2.87% as of April 21st. At the end of quarter 4 2022, 58 hedge funds in Insider Monkey's database reported having stakes in the Coca-Cola Company. These stakes have a consolidated value of $28.8 billion. Number 3. The Sherwin-Williams Company, NYSE SHW. The Sherwin-Williams Company is an American paint and coating manufacturing company based in Ohio. It currently pays a quarterly dividend of 60.5 cents per share for a dividend yield of 1.04% as of April 21st. The company holds a 44-year track record of consistent dividend growth, which makes it one of the best dividend stocks on our list. In April, Mizuho raised its price target on the Sherwin-Williams Company to $263 and maintained a buy rating on the shares ahead of the company's Q1 earnings. As per Insider Monkey's Q4 2022 database, 64 hedge funds reported having stakes in the Sherwin-Williams Company, up from 63 in the previous quarter. These stakes have a total value of over $2.44 billion. Number 2. PepsiCo Inc., NASDAQ PEP. PepsiCo Incorporated is a New York-based food company that also deals in the manufacturing of other beverages. J.P. Morgan called the stock a favored name for investors ahead of its Q1 earnings. The firm raised its price target on the stock to $196 in April with an overweight rating on the shares. PepsiCo Incorporated is a dividend king with 50 consecutive years of dividend growth, which makes it one of the best dividend stocks on our list. The company currently pays a quarterly dividend of $1.15 per share and has a dividend yield of 2.48% as of April 21st. At the end of December 2022, 70 hedge funds in Insider Monkey's database own stakes in PepsiCo Incorporated worth over $4.4 billion collectively. Among these hedge funds, Fundsmith LLP was the company's largest stakeholder in quarter 4. Number 1. Exon Mobil Corporation, NYSE XOM. A Texas-based energy company, Exxon Mobil Corporation, NYSE XOM, tops our list of the best dividend stocks to buy and hold. The company has been raising its dividends consistently for the past 40 years and pays a quarterly dividend of 91 cents per share. The stock's dividend yield on April 21st came in at 3.14%. At the end of Q4 2022, the number of hedge funds owning stakes in Exxon Mobil Corporation grew to 79 from 75 a quarter earlier. According to Insider Monkey's Q4 data, these stakes have a collective value of over $7.1 billion. And that's all for today's video. Investing in forever dividend stocks is a great way to build long-term wealth and create a steady stream of passive income. By holding onto these stocks for the long haul, you can benefit from their reliable dividends and growth potential. Remember, it's important to do your research and choose your forever dividend stocks wisely. Look for companies with a strong track record of paying dividends, a solid financial standing, and a sustainable business model. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos about investing and personal finance. Thanks again for watching, and happy investing.